Hey everyone, it's Saturday morning here, and just finally get a few minutes here of my own time to kind of work on my video game a little bit. So what I want to show you here is the practical use of removing duplicates and count if for data analysis perspective. So you've got a spreadsheet here. I've got 90 rows of data. Okay, so skill ID. So what we're looking at here is the skill list for my game. So over 300 different creatures. Any one of these creatures, in addition to an attack, strength, and a health or life, they have the ability. They can have some of these. Skill name, time during battle. Like when they're defending, this skill will activate. After an attack, it'll activate. While they're defending, it'll activate. Before an attack, it'll activate. Those kinds of things. Type, which I'll get to in a minute. And then skill description. So block. Skill block. Chance to ignore attack. Basically, if you think about it for a moment, blocking, if you block an attack fully, then whatever attack damage that the enemy was supposed to bring to you is ignored. So in other words, chance to ignore attack. Counter strike. Chance to attack after being attacked. You can see armor skill, reduce damage by armor value, to be determined over here. So what I want to do here is I want to create what's called a function. So just like in Excel, think of a function in a video game as an if statement. If this occurs, then do this. So what I want to do is, as a programmer, I don't want to have thousands of rows of code if I can help it. So what my mission is I want to consolidate all of these guys, as many as possible. So you can see here there's duplicates here. Block and parry, they do the same thing, but I want them to calculate separately because they're two separate activities. But so what I want to do now is I want to study that. I want to see, do I really need 3 heal spells? Okay, but further than that, add life, damage bonus versus improved damage. Okay, you can see right there that me as a human being, I just made a mistake when I was putting this together. Damage bonus and ignore damage could be the same. Could be in the same. Or sorry, improve attack and add attack. It could be the same thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab all the duplicates, go to a new sheet here, paste, and then I'm going to remove duplicates. Okay, so I'll just show you that again, way up here. Remove duplicates. Make sure my header box is clicked on. Okay. Hit OK. 53 duplicates were found. 36 unique rows remain. Okay, so that's pretty good. This has elements of data mining to it, by the way. So now I want to do a count. I want to know how many skills from my original data set say ignore damage on it. So count if. The range, where do I want it to look for? Type. Okay. Now what do I want it to look for? This is actually kind of similar to a VLOOKUP in a couple of ways, but also different. So what this is saying, there's 3 skills in the other sheet that have ignore damage on them. Okay. So I just did that to the whole row. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to sort by count, just to kind of see what the statistics show. Okay, so that clearly did not work for me. Maybe paste special values or there. Okay, there we go. I didn't want the original count there. So look at all these guys here. What I want to look at is all the skills, because this says there's only one skill that has this attributes. So what I want to do is I want to say, do I really need these? Because as a programmer, these are a lot of things to code. And if I can knock out 16 of these, or consolidate them in any way, shape, or form, it's going to make my life easier. Just like a data miner. data miners want simplicity. So add attack, and let's see. So I got an add attack here. Okay. And I got an improve attack over here. Okay, do I have any others? Okay, got an improved damage here. So, to me, knowing my game, and this goes back to business acumen, business knowledge, all three of these are the same thing. Okay? I just, as a human being, typed them up differently when I created this database. So what I'm going to do is go back to add attack on the other sheet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it all say improve damage. So add attack, improve damage, okay? And improve attack. There's two of those, so I'll go improve, oopsie, improve attack. So what was that again? See, I already forgot. You know, when I'm on my days off, I don't remember much. So again, I'll find the other one, improve damage. Okay. So there you go. That's an example of kind of using, you know, remove duplicates and count if to do a data mining kind of study. Now, yes, this is not millions of rows of data, but in principle, what you're trying to do is code things and consolidate their definitions. That's the essence of data mining. Typically, we do it in 1s and 0s and 2s and 3s, but we can also do it in text, like you see here. Now, there's a few more of these, but I won't keep going with them for you. Thanks for watching.